All right, welcome to another episode of me tasting some whiskey. My restaurants are closed right now because of the pandemic, so I brought some bottles here in my music studio for us to try and do some reviews. I have more bottles at home. I think I have 150 here. I got more in the restaurant, like 200 more. Today, we're going to be trying a Laga 16. This is from Islay in Scotland. It spells Islay, but it's pronounced Islay, so just keep that in mind. So next time you're in an airport or somewhere, you don't look dumb. This is a 43% ABV, so it's not too strong. This is a chilled filter, so they added a little bit of a colorant, the E150A, inside of it to make a standard color for the bottle, because they don't want like a, I don't know how to say this in English, some shades in it. And this is the classic of the classic when it comes to smoke. This is I'm just going to pour some and then we can try it together. A Laga 16 is never a wrong bottle. It's always a right bottle. Oh, I'm almost done here. I drink a lot of it, I guess. I'll just put this here. And like I said, the color is perfect because it's designed to be that color. On the nose, you can smell salt, sea salt, small island. You can smell seaweed. It's probably where the salt comes from. The smoke is there, the peat is there. Let's try it. First impression, smoke. Peat is number 2. The salt is back. What I like about the Laga 16 is that everything's under control here. It's a very controlled smoke and peat. It's very classic. If we take a bottle like maybe a Ugadale from Artberg, another reference in smoke and peat. In there, the smoke is all over the place. The peat is all over the place. When you drink this, it's like an adventure. The same with the Lafroy 10 here. It's another bottle, smoke and peat. Hardcore smoke, hardcore peat. Again, an adventure drinking this. It has its place, it has its time. This though, it's very, I would say, refined, complex. I think it's classic. When you think of smoke and peat, this is what you're thinking of. The 16 is fantastic. I have more bottles of Laga. I didn't open all of them yet. Maybe I'll do it next time. So let's go again. There's kind of a Christmas cake, you know the fruits, the dry fruit in Christmas cake? A little bit of that in there. It's very, very good. It's very classic. A little bit of water. Listen, in my country where I'm at right now, I think this bottle goes for about $55 US. I don't know in your country, your state, or your province. I don't think it's very expensive for what it is. I think for a bottle that is so under control like this, for a bottle that's so classic, I think it's a good price. Yeah, the sea salt again, the seaweed again. It's very, very good. I think it's a perfect bottle for entry level, not for entry level, let me rephrase that. For people who've never done Peat and Smoke, right? If you start them with this, they're cooked. If you start them with the Lafroy 10, they're cooked as well because it's just too much. It's not under control. It's all over the place. It's just too much. With the Laga 16 here, what you're gonna get is a great whiskey at the bottom here. It's a 2 bourbon cask and 3 sherry cask, I think. So you have some sweetness in there. It's not all over the place. The smoke is not like a killing you smoke. Even now when I'm talking, I can feel it's still there, but it's not overpowering like the room here. If you start somebody with this, I think it's a great introduction to go explore what's going on in the, maybe not Highland Park, but maybe the more Hartberg, maybe Lafroy or Cold Islay in bottles like this, or the Octomore after that. If you start them with Lafroy, maybe they're just going to be turned off and never go back to smoke. They're going to say, oh, I don't like this. So it's a good introductionary bottle, but also as a drinker of whiskey, it's one of my favorite bottles even to this day. It's a classic. It'll never go out of style. This bottle will still, it's going to be there until Scotland is not there anymore. It's not going anywhere. If they have a problem with money at the factory, I'll just buy more. Don't worry. I could have this with lamb, right after lamb chops. A little bit of mint and jelly, that'd be perfect. I strongly recommend this bottle. Maybe not, where do we drink this bottle? After a ski day, on a cold day, I would not recommend going on your deck at 30 degrees or like 90 Fahrenheit, I think it is, 35 degrees outside and drink this in the heat. I don't think it's proper for that. I think a cool evening, fireplace, fire camp, something like that, perfect bottle for this. I'm not sure it has its place in a wedding, as the peat and smoke will overpower your breath, and then when you talk to people after that, you're gonna feel like, well, are you drunk or what? But actually it's just the smoke. Even I had a few sips of this and I already can smell the smoke and the peat all around me now. So maybe not at a wedding, like I said, on a cold night or a chill night outside with your friend, campfire or fireplace after a ski day, I think is a good place for that. Or maybe at a poker game, smoking cigars, perfect bottles for that. This is a bottle you want to share with your friends. It's not a bottle you want to share with 100 people, closest friend only, and have a good conversation, have a good time. So that's that for that. So if you have any questions, put in the comment section. Again, if you want me to grab a bottle from the stack there, bottle you've never tried, you're not sure you want to spend like $60 or $100 for, just ask me, I'll take it down, I'll make you a personal review. Leave a comment in the section down there, and we'll see you when we see you. So I'll see you next time.